All right, good morning, everyone, and welcome to a Medicare Insurance Finders presentation from a guy from Mississippi talking about Mississippi Medicare Supplements. Medicare supplements across the country are pretty much standardized, so the plans are no different than if you were living in Texas, you lived in Florida, or Georgia, or North Carolina, or any team or any school in the SEC. But what we're going to be talking about today are some of the things that are kind of specific towards Mississippi. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is your open enrollment period. Your open enrollment period in Mississippi is a little different than some of the other states because for people under age 65, we allow them to have up to 2 open enrollment periods. So if you become disabled and you're, let's just say, 60 years old, and you receive Medicare, it typically takes 2 years after being disabled to be able to receive Medicare, 24 months. So on 25th month, you become eligible for Medicare. You are in an open enrollment period then where they cannot decline you for health questions. Most states do not have this. We also have an open enrollment period whenever you hit 65 and have Part B for 6 months. So you could be 67 when you get Part B, or 70, or whenever you apply for it, you have an open enrollment period for 6 months. So that's something you need to know. Second thing I want to hit on today is the guaranteed issue periods. A lot of people in Mississippi are working longer. We have an office in Jackson, Mississippi. We have agents on the coast, and in Oxford we have an office, and dealing with North Mississippi. And one of the things we're seeing more is people working later, so maybe 67, 68. When you come off a group health plan or you lose your coverage, you're in a guaranteed issue period, which means that you have 63 days to be able to get any Medicare supplement that you want. Or excuse me, you can get up to 4 different plans, any of those 4 plans that you want, A, B, C, and F. F is the most comprehensive of those 4. I would recommend the Plan F. It's kind of like having a wristband at the fair, is what I always say. You can go back and check out one of the previous videos on YouTube to be able to view that. But you have a guaranteed issue period. No health questions for you. You can get a plan. You can get quotes with all the carriers that offer those plans in the state of Mississippi, and you qualify. Next thing we'll talk about, group retiree plans. There's a lot of group retiree plans across the country. Mississippi, there's not a whole lot of group retiree plans. So what I want to tell you about is several different things. There is one called Benefits Association, which is a Mississippi nonprofit organization that has a group retiree medical plan. It mimics the Plan F Medicare Supplement. It's something that's available to you if you join the association. So if you're 70 years old, you can't switch to another Medicare supplement due to health questions, you missed your open enrollment period, you're not in a guaranteed issue period, you can join this association and get a guaranteed issue group retiree medical plan that mimics that Medicare Supplement Plan F, which is a great opportunity for you. We have handled the City of Oxford retiree plan. I worked with some ladies up there. We set that up and rolled about, I think, 30 to 40 of the retirees to Medicare supplements and helped with that process, and done several other people working with some larger organizations, set up Morgan White Group's retiree medical plan and a few others. So we are experienced in that area as well and can help you understand what you need to know about your group retiree medical plan and Medicare supplement. Next thing, Mississippi quotes. What's the best way to get quotes in Mississippi? Well, there's a lot of things you can do. You can go online. I would recommend going to MedicareInsuranceFinders.com. This is the easiest way to do it. You can enter in your information. You get a list of all the carriers here in Mississippi with quotes. There may not be some of the carriers you might have heard of because those carriers aren't secure rated with AM Best. This quote engine at Medicare Insurance Finders only provides quotes from carriers with a B+ rating or higher, which means they're a secure company. They're not going to be some little fly-by-night carrier. So it's important to go there, MedicareInsuranceFinders.com. They got a big blue button on the front that says Get Quotes Now. You can get quotes. You're not going to have your information sold. There's a lot of websites out there right now that are selling people's information as leads. I would recommend going to Medicare Insurance Finders because they do not sell your information, which is very important. Plus, Medicare Insurance Finders is based out of Mississippi, so I would definitely recommend using them. Under 65, we kind of already hit the open enrollment, but what I want to talk about as well is kind of the last thing is be careful or check your loss ratios for some of the carriers that you're enrolling in. If you know that, that's fantastic because we've had some pretty large rate increases in Mississippi. As you know, I can say this because I'm from Mississippi. I'm actually, my office right now that I'm in is in Jackson, Mississippi. But We are not the healthiest state. We fry everything from green beans to Snicker bars to anything possible. We fry it, and we like it. It's good, but we have some of the higher rate increases in the country due to some of our loss ratios. So we also have some of the lowest rates starting out. We look at a Medicare Supplement Plan F. You can get for about $100 a month here in Mississippi. You go to Florida, you're pushing 200 to 250 a lot of times for a Plan F Medicare Supplement. Connecticut, over that. So we are lucky in that sense, but we do have higher rate increases. So get a plan and know that if your rates continue to go up and you can't switch, there is the BAI Group Retiree Medical Plan available for you. So this is my Mississippi Medicare Supplement presentation. We're here to help you at MedicareInsuranceFinders.com. Thank you.